Hello, family. Today we're going to make cinnamon streusel bread. I was hungry for it, so let's make it. Come join me. Okay, the first thing I have to do to prepare for this one, it calls for 1 cup of buttermilk, which I don't have. So this is what I usually do. I usually add a little less than a cup of milk. Take my lemon juice. Give that a couple squirts. And then I can fill it up. Now I'll let that sit for a little bit. And then we'll have buttermilk or sour milk. Okay, now we're going to mix up the streusel and let that sit in the fridge while we do the batter. Need 1/2 cup of flour. Okay, we're going to use the little bowl here. Put 1/2 cup of flour in there. We're going to use 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar. Um, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And I'm just going to use okay. And of course, I always like to add a little extra. And 3 tablespoons of butter that I cut up. Now we're just going to mix this up. Get it crumbly. I've just been really hungry for cinnamon streusel bread. So I used to buy it at Costco, but I forgot last time I was at Costco, so I have to make it. Now I'm going to use my fingers here. It's once I can, and I can kind of pinch it, you know, into a little bit of there we go. That's good enough. Now I'll put that in a smaller bowl and put that in the fridge. And now we're going to do the batter. Can you see that? Yeah, I just want to make sure that you see the bowl good. Okay. 2 cups of flour. And I greased my loaf pan, you know, like a loaf pan. I greased that. 2 cups. And if you're hearing a noise, it's my wash machine. Actually, once a month, I clean my wash machine. I buy these tablets. I'll show you. This is what I buy. And it cleans out your wash machine. I just run the cycle with just that tablet. There's a little tablet in there. And you get like 2 years worth. 24 tablets, so. Well, it says 1 year supply, but I only do it once a month instead of twice a month. And then I got to show you my little iron I got at Tumo. I ironed my shirt with it today. It works really well. You can also put water in there. It steams. I don't remember how much. I think I paid 5 something for it. Maybe $6. But it works really well. I just use it on one of my um, cutting boards. It's okay. I went off on a rabbit trail there. Sorry. That's what I do. I get a lot done on my rabbit trails though. Okay, 2 cups of flour, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup sugar. Okay. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And I found this online from, what is it? Chef approved recipes, I guess. I just spotted it last night. Okay, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, my 1 cup of buttermilk, which as you can see, it turned into buttermilk. 1 large egg. And 1/4 cup of oil. One-quarter cup of oil. That's it, folks. Easy peasy. Okay, now we just mix this up. I'm just going to use this fork that I was using. Mix like a batter. Okay, we don't want to overmix. Let's do 1/4 cup sugar. And 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And that's pretty much what's left in this one anyway. I always have enough on hand. Okay, mix that up. All right, now we're going to put it together. I'm going to need my crunchy stuff, my streusel. Okay, we're going to pour half the batter. Okay, whoops, sorry. Didn't mean, no earthquake, nope, nope. Okay, and then we're going to cover this with some cinnamon swirl. I'm just going to put a little bit of the crumb stuff in there. Put the cinnamon swirl stuff in there. I'm changing the recipe a little bit because that's just me. Okay, now we're going to put the other half in here. Okay, that is done. Now, I gotta have a knife here. Now I'm going to swirl the batter. There we go. There's where you get your swirl. Now I'm going to coat it and put the crumb topping on top. And now I'm going to put it in the oven at 350 for 50 to 55 minutes. And then I have to let it cool for 15 minutes before I remove from the loaf pan. So we're going to put it in the oven. We'll see in a little bit. Okay, that was 55 minutes in the oven at 350. We got to let it cool for 15 minutes. And then we're going to try some. Here we go. Look at that. So yummy. Let's try this. Yep, that's what I wanted. I'm going to warm it up and put some butter on it. Let the butter melt on it. Yummy. Thanks for joining me today. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.